photodiode. Okay, today I discuss photodiode. Nana, photodiode is nothing but the PN junction diode. Photodiode is nothing but the PN junction diode, which is generally connected in reverse bias mode. Look here, Nana. Photodiode is a PN junction diode. It is connected in reverse bias mode. Okay. Look here the diagram, Nana. This is the photodiode. That means PN junction diode. This is the P. This is the N. This is the junction. This is the depletion layer and the potential barrier. Here P is connected to negative terminal of the battery. N is connected to positive terminal of the battery. Its bias is said to be reverse bias. Okay. This is the diode nano. Here photodiode is nothing but the PN junction diode, which is connected in reverse bias. Actually, in the semiconductor, two bands are there. One is valency band, other one is conduction band. The valency band contains valency electrons. Here now, look here. Okay, valency band contains valency electrons. Here now. Conduction band, no electrons initially. Okay, here. On the diode, light fall. According to chemistry, light is a form of energy. Each light is a form of energy. According to Planck quantum theory, this energy contains energy packet. Each packet is called as quanta. Quanta is nothing but the photon. Okay, once again I repeat now. According to Planck quantum theory, light contains energy packet. Each energy packet is called quanta. Quanta is nothing but the photon. Nana, here one photon means energy packet. It moves electron from valency band to conduction band. Two packets, two electrons move. Three packets, three electrons move. Where to where? Valency band to conduction band. Here vacant is create. In the chapter, this vacant is nothing but the hole, Nana. That means here light fall on the diode, hole, electron pairs are created in the substance. Okay, because of light fall, Nana, light is a form of energy. Because of energy, electron in the valency band moves to the conduction band. So hole and electron pairs are created. Here hole and electron pairs are created. Look here, Nana. Here. Actually, photodiode is a PN junction diode which operated in the what bias? Reverse bias. Here, this is negative attracted by the holes, because hole is a positive charge. So that's why holes reach the back side of the P, back side of the P. And again, these positive terminal attracted by the electron, these electrons are reach front side of the N type. To see here, actually here hole and electrons are created because light fall on the diode. Electrons in the valency electrons in the valency band moves from valency band to conduction band, and that means hole and electrons are created here. These holes are attracted by the negative terminal of the battery. These electrons are attracted by the positive terminal of the battery. So holes reach back side of the P type, electrons reach front side of the N type. Actually, this is the reverse bias, actual diagram is here. This is P is connected to negative, N is connected to positive here, Here these are closed, closed circuit, according to electricity, current will be flow. Here resistor, this is the symbol of resistor. Here resistor, resistance and the R. Here both are closed, so that's why here current will be flow. Current denoted by what letter? I. That means this photodiode. Here light energy will be converted into electrical energy. This photodiode generally used in the cameras. Okay. Here this photodiode is nothing but the PN junction diode, which operated in the reverse bias mode. Okay. Here light fall on the diode, electron holes pairs are created, all holes towards the p region, all electrons reach towards the N region. Here hole is a positive charge, electron is a negative charge, plus minus, that means potential difference created, so it will be closed. So that's why, because of potential difference which will be flow, current will be flow. That means here light energy will be converted into electrical energy. Generally photodiodes used in the cameras in light flash. Okay. Next hold. In the photodiode, I draw the graph nana. Generally, this is connected in reverse bias mode nana. Reverse bias mode. Look here nana. Reverse bias mode. Reverse voltage here taken. Reverse current taken in this negative y-axis. Here nana. Here voltage increases, current also increases. Okay, voltage increases, current also increases. For a given intensity is I naught. According to observations, intensity of light increases. Intensity of light, capital I indicate intensity nana. Intensity is nothing but the brightness nana. Here intensity of light increases, electric current also increases. And again here nana. That means intensity of light increases, electric current also increases. Why? And intensity definition is energy emitted per unit area per unit time. Once again, energy emitted per unit area per unit time into N. N is nothing but the number of photons nana. Here one photon means one valency electron moves from valency band to conduction band. That means two photons is there, 2 electrons move. 3 photons is there, 3 electrons move from valency band to conduction band. That means number of photons increases. That means intensity of light increases. Intensity of light increases means number of photons increases, number of electron holes pairs are increases. Electron and holes, that means charge flow is nothing but the current nana. So current also increases. Once again I repeat nana. Intensity of light increases automatically, number of photons increases. That means more number of electrons reach the conduction band, automatically more holes created in the valency band. That means electron and hole more number will be created. Intensity increases, number of photons increases, number of pairs also increases automatically. Pairs nothing but the charge increases, current flow increases. That means intensity of light directly proportional to I. That means in the photodiode, intensity of light, intensity of incident light increases, photoelectric current also increases. Next I discuss solar cell. Solar cell is nothing but the PN junction diode nana. Look here nana. Solar cell is nothing but the PN junction diode, but this is no biasing. No biasing means there is no connection of battery. But photodiode is PN junction diode with reverse bias. But solar cell is nothing but the PN junction diode with no biasing or unbiasing. Here nana, look here, all of you. This is the depletion region. Okay. Here also, this is the valency band and this is the conduction band. Valency band contains valency electrons who are unpaired electrons. Okay, silicon, fourth group. How many valency electrons are there for one atom? 4 valency electrons are there. Okay, aluminum, how many valency electrons are there? That is the third group. So 3 valency electrons are there for each atom. Here, this is the PN junction diode nana. Okay, this is the depletion region. Here, a pseudo battery is called potential barrier. This is plus. This is called what nana? Minus. Here also nana light fall on the diode. Here, once again I repeat, which will be fall nana? Light. Light, according to Planck quantum theory, light in the form of energy packet. Each energy packet is called quanta. Quanta is nothing but the photon. One photon gives energy. One electron moves from valency band to conduction band. Here, 2 photons, 3 photons, 3 electrons move either. Here, vacants are created. This vacant is nothing but the what nana? Hole. This vacant is nothing but the what nana? Hole. That means holes created in the valency band. Conduction electrons created in the conduction band. That means here also holes, comma, electron pairs are created in the substance. Holes and electron pairs are created in the substance. Okay? Here there is no battery. In the previous case, photodiode is a reverse bias, but here there is no battery. But on the here look here but on the depletion region, a pseudo battery is there, that is called potential barrier. Here all holes, this is the plus nana. Plus means positive, hole also positive holes mean this plus repelled nana. So that's why these holes reaches back side of the p nana, and these electron repelled by the electrons. So electrons, all electrons reaches to front side of the n type. Nana, this plus repelled by what? Holes. This minus repelled by what? Electrons. So electrons are away, holes are away. So that's why all holes reach the back side of the p side, and all electrons reach the front side of the n type. Here no battery is there. Here pseudo battery is there. Pseudo battery exists on the depletion region. The pseudo battery is called potential barrier. Here all holes. Here all electrons. Here hole is a what charge? Positive charge. Electron is a what charge? Negative charge. Which difference is created? Potential difference is created. That means a closed wire is connected. Automatically, which will be flow? Nana? Current will be flow. That means here also light energy will be converted into electrical energy. That is the main usage of solar cell. What is the usage of solar cell? Nana? Light energy will be converted into electrical energy. That is the main usage of solar cell. But the solar cell is always photodiode. This is always unbiased nana, unbiased. For example, here, look here nana. This is the graph nana. Here voltage I can take, current here I take y-axis. Here initially here nana, because initially photodiode there is no closed circuit nana. Only initially this wire is there. There is no wire nana. There is no connection of wire. That means only which will be created? Potential difference. Because here holes is there, here electrons is there. Which difference? Potential difference created, but current flow becomes zero. When the current flow, wire is connected. That means here initially only which will be created? Potential difference is created. That circuit is called open circuit. Open circuit means no wire connection. Okay, VOC. Open circuit means no wire. No wire means no current. That means on the x-axis y becomes what? 0 according to mathematics. And on the x-axis, this is the point is on the x-axis, that means y becomes 0. That means here current becomes 0. That means open circuit voltage, VOC. Open circuit voltage means voltage difference is there, but current flow becomes 0. Here I take another point here. Okay. Here in this point indicate ISC. That means short circuiting current. Short circuiting current means generally here which wire is connected? Resistor wire is connected generally. But I connect not resistance. That means here conducting wire is connected. Conducting wire means its resistance becomes what? 0. When the resistance becomes 0, opposition, no opposition. So that's why current flow is maximum at low voltages. That current is called short circuit current. Short circuit current always get closed wire is conducting wire. Closed wire is conducting wire. That means this wire is conducting wire. Conducting wire means its resistance becomes nearly 0. That means resistance 0, opposition 0. That means current flow in the circuit becomes maximum. Current flow in the circuit becomes maximum. That current is called as short circuit current, ISC. Short circuit current. Here, look here, Nana. This current is called short circuit current. Here, that means here low voltages applied, but I take conducting wire, so current flow is maximum. So that's why at low voltage means nearly voltage becomes 0. So that's why this point on the y-axis, x component becomes what? 0. So that's why this current is called short circuiting current, because here I take conducting wire. This is the graph of the solar cell. Okay. This is the graph of the solar cell. That means open circuit, current becomes 0. Closed circuit, but the wire is conducting wire. That current is called short circuiting current. Here low voltage is applied, approximately that voltage becomes 0. So that's why this point can be taken here. So this graph is a solar cell. Next I discuss LED, light emitting diode. Here, light emitting diode now. Light emitting diode. Light emitting diode is simply called as LED. In the modern days, in the house purposes, we use new lamps that can be manufacturing of LED. Okay. Here, light emitting diode also nothing but the PN junction diode. Okay. This is the P. This is the N. Here, this is the junction, okay, this is the PN junction diode. Here, this is connected to, P is connected to positive, N is connected to negative. That means what bias? Forward bias. Simply called as LED is a PN junction diode. LED is a PN junction diode. PN junction diode. LED is nothing but the, once again I repeat, PN junction diode by forward bias. Okay, this is the main thing. Adhe photodiode is a PN junction diode which is reverse bias. Solar cell is only PN junction diode unbiased. This is the PN junction diode that by forward bias. Here, it is mainly thing, this diode is heavily doped. Heavily doped means other substances more added. So that's why here majority charge carriers increases, automatically minority charge carriers also increases. Once again I repeat, here it is a heavily doped diode. LED is a heavily doped diode. So that's why majority charge carriers increases, minority charge carriers increases. In the P, what is the minority charge carriers? In the P, what is the minority charge carriers? Electrons. Here, So many is there because this is heavily doped. Here, what is the majority in the p-type? Holes, nana, holes. Okay? Here, look here, nana, holes. Here, what is the n-type majority charge carriers, nana? Electrons. Here, electrons, nana. Here, electrons. What is the minority charge carriers in the n-type, nana? Holes, nana. Here, look here. Okay? Once again, I repeat, in the p-type, majority is holes, minority is electrons. Holes, electrons. M-type, majority is electrons and the minority is holes. This is the junction. This is the junction. Here, this diode is connected to forward bias. P is connected to positive, N is connected to negative. Look here the diagram. This positive, holes are what happens? Repelled. Repelled means moves towards the junction. Moves towards the junction. Okay? Here, electrons also, majority charge carriers in the n-type, repelled by the negative terminal and moves towards the junction. Here, at the junction, minority charge carriers are there. This is the heavily doped diode, so that's why minority charge carriers are also more. Here, these hole, once again I repeat, Nana, this hole combined with the minority charge carrier. This electron combined with the minority charge carriers. Combined means according to Einstein equation E equal to mc square. Mass will be converted into energy. That means here minority and majority charge carriers combined at a junction and release the energy, nana, according to Einstein equation. What is the Einstein equation? E equal to mc square. That means mass will be converted into energy. Here, nana, here mass will be converted into energy. Here majority charge carriers in the p-type, minority charge carriers in the p-type at junction both are combined. Here also majority and minority in the n-type both are combined to release a large amount of energy. That means E equal to hc by lambda in electricity or chemistry. E ante energy ante Bohr's postulation h nu ante C by lambda. hc by lambda. Here energy release, different energies. Here combination is different, combination doping is different, so adding also different, combined also different to release different energies and to get the different wavelengths. Actually, VIBGYOR is a red wavelength is 7000, violet wavelength is 3800 angstrom. Remaining colors between the wavelength. That means wavelength change, color also change. That means we get energy releases, different energies releases, different wavelengths releases. So to get violet color light and blue color light and green color light and yellow color light and pink color light and orange color light and red color light, we get different colors of lights to release by using lead. Lead is a very cheap cost and a very long life, so it can be usually more in the house purposes. It is a very long life lead nana. Here once again I repeat, what is the lead? Lead means light emitting diode. Here nana PN junction diode is there. It is connected in forward bias, so that's why here majority charge carriers and minority charge carriers are combined at the junction and release the energy. That means to release the light. Okay. That means this is the reverse process of the photodiode and the solar cell. In the photodiode and solar cell, light energy will be converted into electrical energy. Here, electrical energy will be converted into light energy to emit the light in different colors. Nana. Here also, I draw the graph. Nana. Here, look here. Here, forward current. Nana. That means forward bias. Applied battery. This is here intensity of light. This is the releasing of light. Intensity is nothing but the brightness. Okay. Here forward current, that means applied voltage increases, releasing energy also increases nana. Here, this is the graph nana. It becomes saturated, that means here no increase of intensity of light nana, because here minority and majority completely disappear nana, so that's why it becomes constant nana. It becomes constant. This is called saturating nana. Here look here, forward current increases, intensity of emitting light also increases nana. Here this is the graph of lead. Okay, next class I discuss problems